making pizza?
Cinnamon rolls.
Oh, yay! Yummy. So many bounces, and it's weird.
Can you kind of paint it all over the place? Okay.
It's our feet, Mom.
Slides on it pretty good. I make it less steep if you can. So if you just put it about 2/3 the way up, it's fine for coming down. But themselves, they have wings. Look at them just running.
Are the chickens birds? That's why they have wings?
So put it down about 1/3 the way. There you go. They can get onto that. If they want to.
Oh, another one.
Yeah, 2 hands. Nope, that's a decoy egg. Just that one. 2 hands on it.
Mom,
Yeah, I do one. Yeah.
Is it froze?
No.
What did I do with the snow one? Dad, is it okay to snow one?
Yep.
Oh, Dad,
So we've only been outside for about 30 minutes and we already had to stop. We have to go back in because Ben's nose is starting to get frostbite. And our boys' noses were beet red, so everyone's hurting. And so we actually just need to get out of the cold for a little bit. We do have some firewood that we need to get done, and we're supposed to get somewhere around 13 to 18 inches according to the Weather Channel. We've already gotten like 6 overnight, but we're supposed to get that 13 to 18 on top of what we've already gotten. So we're going to have to come outside anyway to do all these chores all over again, redo everyone's waters, and plow and get more firewood because we are burning through it. It is just so cold. It's crazy. So hopefully we can get outside a little bit more today and get some more work done, and maybe the kids can play a little, but I'm not sure. It is just so cold. So we're going to go inside, warm up, have some yummy breakfast, and maybe come outside a little bit later.
Ow.
One of our kids has celiac disease, so she can't have the cinnamon rolls that I made earlier for everyone else. So I made her a single serve cinnamon roll. I've never done it before. It's coming out like more of a cinnamon log, not a roll. So now she's gonna get two because it made a bigger portion than I thought. And I have to have the tin foil on top because the oven will burn it if I don't. I'm actually going to see what the temp is in the oven. 480 is the temp in the oven. So that'll put my cook time in half because it's 480 degrees in the oven and I only really need it to be about 325, 350. I don't know what to expect with this, so. Definitely not done, but it's rising.
Switch top to bottom if you want.
I just don't know how these are either. They are definitely going though. Wow, yummy. Dog, move.
Rebel, go ahead. Good girl.
How's yours, Mila?
Good.
She's crushing it.
Is this lunch?
Breakfast, lunch.
Wait.
With how cold it is outside, we have to check for eggs 2 to 3 times a day. We've been pretty much doing it 3 times. So we already got an egg this morning, 2 more. If we don't catch these eggs in time, they just freeze and pretty much explode in the nest box. So yeah, I just went and got the eggs and I smashed their water so now they have a little bit more to drink. And the next time I go out, I'll look for eggs and bring them fresh water and then give them a chance to get a drink and then close them in because it's just so cold and I'm worried about their feet. Inside.
You can put it on the porch.
Yep. Is Carson coming out?
No.
No.
You keep filling that wagon, I'm gonna just start walking them, okay?
So hard with slippery snow and hard ice and not trying to hit the wood.
I know.
This is the easiest time to split. That's why. For 2 years I was so behind. I was cutting in the summer for the winter. So it was like everything was against me. The wood was harder to split. It was hot out. There were bugs.
Right.
Now it's like this isn't a terrible chore.
Mom,
Huh.
when there's something I also could do, when we need
You wanna go
firewood,
outside?
when we need firewood, we're able to just go outside and take a piece from that stack.
Yeah.
The row? Yeah. It's like we're stacking what we do in there.
Yeah.
For a second, I
That
thought
piece can go off. That's weird.
what?
That piece can go on the top.
Can we put like the things you are able to start a fire with, like these small ones,
Kindling?
on here, right here?
Sure.
Okay. This actually could last us a week.
Yeah. I don't think it'll be a week, but maybe 3 days, 4 days. That looks good.
So much fire.
Thanks, buddy. So we have prepped this shredded rabbit since 7 a.m. and we're doing a pretty non-traditional rabbit meal. I'm going to be making rabbit buffalo dip. You typically would do this with chicken wings, so buffalo chicken wing dip. So we're basically doing the exact same thing you would do for that recipe, just replacing it with the rabbit, and it tastes really good. It's one of our favorite dips, so yeah, we can put everything in the crock pot, just let it go on warm or low heat and it melts all together. The cream cheese, the ranch, the hot sauce, everything just comes together and we stir it and that's it. It's a really easy dip, except for the part where you have to cook the rabbit for 8 hours and debone it. But other than that, it's a really nice, yummy, easy dip. Sure, I'll make double then.